Assalamu alaikum. Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to another Shopify video tutorial. Before starting our tutorial, it have let a request for you guys to please subscribe my channel so I can get motivated to add more videos. Thank you very much. Let's move forward to the tutorial. In today's video, we are going to create few pages, and after creating the pages, in the next video we will go to create the navigations, and then we'll move to the front end of the Shopify and start designing our website. Thank you very much. Okay, let's now start creating the pages. First, go to the online store, and then you have the option of these pages. In Shopify, when we create a website, they actually start with creating a contact page. So for contact page, let's say its name is contact us, and its template should be contact, because when we select its contact template, we will get a form with the option of contacting. Let me show you. Okay, this is the form, but if I select default page, then I will not see any template there. You can see that we are not getting a form here. So for contact us page, it's necessary to select contact as a template. Okay, let's create another page. Start from here, create the page about us. Okay, make it visible. Its template should be default page. Okay, let's put content here. I already created from ChatGPT. So this is our about us. Okay, here it is, and let me delete it. It's not for us. Okay, so we created the first about us page. Let's view it. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's create another page, named it FAQs page. Keep default template. Oops, sorry. Okay, let also copy it content from the ChatGPT I already generated. So here they actually are. Okay, let me copy it. I'm not seeing any option here. Okay, so here they are. So in this tutorial we created three simple kind of pages, this and this one. Okay, we want to insert a picture here. For inserting picture, we have different options, like here insert image, or you can insert the video, you can insert the GIF, and whatever you want. Let me add any kind of picture here. Why they are not loading? Okay, this one. Okay, you can set it. Let's say you want to make it center. Okay, other thing, you can change the color as well. Let's say I want to change this text color. Let me mark it as let me mark it as blue one. Okay, And a few more things here. You can change the alignment. Here you can also change its alignments. You want to underline these text, you can do it from here. Italic, like bolder text, you can do it from here. And want to change it, let's say it's going to be our heading 1, you put it as h1. Okay, so more here. Okay, you want to insert a link. Let's say you want to insert a link in secret. I want to insert a link. Here you can insert the link. Okay, let's say I insert share. Okay, then it will be highlighted. Another thing is you can insert the video. You can clear all the formatting of the text. Okay, let's save it and view it again. Here it is. Okay, so this is the way of creating the pages. If you have any question, you can comment down and I will reply instantly. So here it is. We can create as many pages as I want. There are some kind of templates things, and I will teach you further in the future when we move. Because let me show you something. We have this. I created this website for one of my client. Here I created about us page. So here you can see it. So for creating these kind of pages, it's actually difficult from creating the backend. So here it's difficult for creating this way. You need a lot of coding. So for that we actually create some kind of templates in the theme, and we'll do that kind of advanced level designing. Let for the contact page, there is already a template is created. Here contact page, you can see it. I can add more section, featured product, featured collection, and let's say I added a featured collection here. So let's say it's a homepage collection. Maybe okay, not okay, the spot. So when I move back to the contact us page, you will start seeing this. Oops, I am sorry, it's another thing. Okay, here it is. Okay, that's all for pages tutorial. In the next video I will teach you about the navigation, how we can set this header, how we can add more option here in the footer, how we can add more options here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please keep subscribing my channel, and don't forget to tell your friends about this so we can learn together. Thank you very much once again. Allah Hafiz.